Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to take the time to make you a quick video today and go over some tips and tricks on how to boost your online presence. And at the end of the video, if you do find it useful, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over with you today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything here that's on your home page. Any wording that you use, any photos that you use, what's behind your photos and how they're saved is all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. Now, a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a big help. Now, I did input your information into a tool that we use here. This is called Ahrefs. And with this tool, we are then able to see your trust and your strength with Google. Now, this is on a scale of 100, and you want to boost these up, but you want to keep them as even as possible. Now, the next thing is you are ranking for 71 keywords here, which is getting about 80 organic searches to your website. Now, you also want to take a look at backlinks. There are no backlinks here. What a backlink is anywhere that you might find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. The links are definitely not created equal. Some of these links are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you definitely want to go after the links that are more authoritative that will bring power to your website. Now, what you want to do is once you get all this stuff working together, you want to get yourself up here on the map pack. This is the Google Map Pack. This is the bread and butter of businesses because this is where people go to look for their services and what they're looking for. These are the top businesses in their area. And so that's definitely the best place to be. So when you also have a Google business profile, they give you an About Us section. In that section, there is 750 words. You want to make sure all of those words are being utilized and place keywords throughout as well, and that's going to help. I would also recommend having or being very responsive to your reviews and messages. Make sure you keep posting weekly branded posts, geolocated photos, and it's all going to help with your relevance. Now, another important thing for your business is citations. So that is when your business name, address, and phone number are in things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. And by going out and giving your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase your relevance, and it also helps with your website as well. Now, I did pull up one of your competitors here in the area, and just looking over, they have quite a bit of content on their front page, lots of places for keywords. So I put their analytics in here. Now here you can see that trust and that strength, and they have over 8,000 backlinks from 418 different websites, and then they have 195 keywords. So the idea of being able to search your competitors is to be able to see what different backlinks they're using, what different keywords that they're using, and the idea is to be able to take that and utilize not only what they are using right now, but the idea is to be able to add on top of that, so that way you are able to then outrank them on Google. So we want to definitely stack as much as we possibly can to bring that strength and that trust and everything together. So that's what I had for you today. I want to say thank you for letting me take the time to make this video and watching this, and you're taking the time for watching this video. I am going to send this along with my name, email, and phone number. If you ever have any questions, you can always reach out, whether you want to call, text, email, whatever works best for you. And I just want to say thank you for your time. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you have a great day.